I wanted to do a quick video on this 1998 Mercedes E430. Been looking at a lot of people trying to get this computer out of here. This is the main computer, and they focusing on this bolt right here. This bolt is kind of hard to get to. I've seen people cut this up right here and trying to get it out of here. Now notice there's one bolt right here on the side right here, right there. If you undo that bolt, you can take this whole computer out in one shot. And then you can take these screws out and do what you got to do. This is the screw right here. I don't know why I've seen people cutting this open here and fighting with it and trying to get little sockets down in here to get that out, when it looks like it's already made to come out, the whole thing. That way you can take the computer apart. I mean, it's two different computers here. You can just take the Torx out on this one and take this computer out right here without having to do all that work. It's made to just slide right down in here. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Slide right in there and just tighten the screw down. This connector got to go on first, though. I just want to tell you that. Well, I mean, took it out already. You probably would know. Yeah, this one got to go on first right here.